Hello. Well, I'm assuming that is 3 times sine squared x cosine squared x. If it isn't, just ignore the 3's. But anyway, the power reduction formulas for sine squared and cosine squared come from the formula for double angles of cosine. In one of the formulas we use, cosine of 2x equals 1 minus 2 times sine squared x. If we solve that for sine squared x, we get 1 minus cosine of 2x all over 2. And then for cosine squared x, the cosine of 2x equals 2 cosine squared x minus 1. We solve that for cosine squared x, and we get 1 plus cosine 2x all over 2. So then we substitute, then we get 3 times 1 minus cosine of 2x over 2, and 1 plus cosine of 2x over 2. Let's factor out, that'd be 4 down there, right? 2 times 2. So we're going to get 3/4 times 1 minus cosine of 2x. Oops. I don't have to write them over 2 now. So we get 1 minus cosine of 2x times 1 plus cosine of 2x. Okay, well, this is just like if we did x plus 3 times x minus 3. That's just square the first one, make it subtraction, and square the second one. So for our problem, we're going to get 3/4 times 1 minus cosine squared of 2x. Well, now we're going to do to this cosine squared of 2x the same thing we did over here. Then we get 3/4 times 1 minus 1 plus the cosine of 4x this time, all over 2. Because up here we started off with cosine squared x and we got 2x. Well, if we're doing cosine squared of 2x, it's going to become 4x. So now we got 3/4 minus 3/8 times, oops, I don't need parentheses here, cosine of 4x. That's what you get when you distribute the 3/4. Or is it? No, I got an extra 1 in there, don't I? Close. So I get 1 is 3/4 minus 3/8 plus 3/8 cosine of 4x. Well, I guess I can subtract 3/4 minus 3/8. So my real answer would have been, let's 6 be 3/8 plus 3/8 cosine of 4x. I think that one's right now. Took 3/4 times 1. This had been 1/2. Forgot a sign. This would be minus. Minus. There we go. That's more better. So that's what it should look like. Let me make sure. One more time. 3/4, I get 3/4 times 1 minus cosine squared of 2x. That's going to be 1 minus 1 plus cosine of 4x divided by 2. Take 3/4 times 1. I get 3/4. This is the same as 1/2 plus cosine of over 4x. Yeah. So then I get minus 3/8 minus 3/8 cosine 4x. 3/4 minus 3/8 is 3/8. Yep, that should be right.